Hello guys! So for today's video, gagawa po tayo ng ating nighttime tea para pampawala ng bloated nating tiyan at malaking puson. So meron po tayo ditong cinnamon barks, ginger, lemon, honey, at syempre pag medyo gusto natin mas matapang yung ating tea, magdadagdag tayo ng cinnamon powder. So we have to boil the water first. So guys, ito yung ating ginger. Tanggalan lang natin siya ng balat. So, ito na guys yung ating ginger. Then, yung ating cinnamon. Kailangan natin siyang i-break ng few pieces. Then, yung ating lemon. I-remove natin yung seeds kasi mapait siya. Okay. Then, ito ating ginger. Then, yung ating cinnamon. And then, hayaan po muna natin siyang kumulo in a few minutes. Like, 7 to 8 minutes. Then, we will add cinnamon powder for extra taste. Then, mix natin siya hanggang sa ma-dissolve yung cinnamon powder. Ayan siya guys. Then, add natin yung ating lemon. And last, yung ating honey. Okay. So, ito na siya guys. Ready na yung ating cinnamon tea. So, ito na guys yung ating cinnamon tea. Ready to drink na. Minsan, hindi lang sa gabi ko siya tinitake. Even in the morning, early in the morning, si-cinnamon tea din ako. Depends on my tummy because sometimes it's bloated. So, kailangan kong mag-cinnamon tea para mawala yung bloated ng tiyan ko. So, ito na ba siya.